Hi everyone, hope you're doing well, and my name is Sanjeev, and on this video I want to share with you how much YouTube paid us on this particular channel. And results are not typical, guys. This is through my own hard work and consistent uploads on this channel that have actually got us into these numbers. Even though this is not a big number, but you can see right off the gate the channel start picking up traction and momentum, and that is the beauty of going into a particular niche that is not that much saturated. So you can actually go into this niche and start to dominate from day one. Okay, and pretty much we're just doubling down on the content at this stage, and pretty much it's gonna get a huge amount of success within a very short amount of time. Okay, because when most of the time people actually start a channel, they don't they're not able to get the channel off the ground, right? And this channel, you can see pretty much the RPM on this particular channel is $3.47. Okay, and pretty much we're gonna be doing more uploads, which means more revenue for the channel, and also that way we can actually start multiple channels in the same niche. Okay, so you must be asking, like, how did I actually come across this niche and how did I actually find this particular niche? Okay, so it's pretty much going through the incognito method. And when you actually go to incognito, if you, for example, you want to get into like motivation niche, you're gonna be typing motivation on incognito tab, and pretty much you're gonna be going through each of the videos and finding the channel that has got like less subscribers, but the views they're probably getting is like double, triple, or quadruple in the amount of success that they're actually getting, right? And this is how we actually found this particular niche and also the channel. So we just started the channel, and right off the gate the channel started getting a lot of momentum and success. And that's what we really love, right? We want to start a channel and we don't want to be focusing too much time on the channel, because we end of the day we have to pay the team to actually create the video. So if you're not pretty much like you're not actually making profit, it's gonna be very hard to actually pay the team, right? Because if you don't have profit right off the gate, you're not gonna be able to continuously pay the team, right? Because the team is actually creating videos, so you need to be paying the team, which is very important thing. So the very important thing I'll actually tell you is going to the right niche. You don't want to be going to a niche that's like dominated by a channel that's got like millions of subscribers on the channel. You want to be finding small channels which has only got like 10-20,000 subscribers, but they're getting a lot of views. So for example, if the channel is 10,000 subscribers, they're probably getting 1,000,000 views, right? So that way we know that that niche is like, actually YouTube is pushing that kind of content right now, right? So we just have to be a little bit creative and start creating those kind of content. So when YouTube actually will boost our channel if we actually create the right videos, right thumbnail, right title, so that way we can actually start to get in the algorithm very fast, right? So in the next month or so I'll be sharing the numbers on this particular channel. So we'll be scaling this to like probably end of this month will be probably like about $3 to $4, $5,000. Hasn't been that much because we haven't been able to target the right audience at this stage. We're still testing a lot of stuff in this channel, but once we actually find the right audience, you can see it's still got $7,000 in here, right? But again, it's YouTube is all about just finding the right audience and matching up with the right content. That's when your channel will start to blow up very fast, which we actually did. But we still doing a lot of testing because we don't want to be just copy pasting other channels. We are doing unique ideas, and those unique ideas is not just trend based, but they're also evergreen, right? And evergreen topics are really awesome if you can actually also be doubling down together with trending topic, so that way your channel will not get stagnant, and that way your channel won't die out very soon, right? So again, let me know in the comment section where you're actually watching this from, and how you're actually going with your niche selection process. I've also done a lot of videos on finding the right niche, And if you have any more question, you can leave it a comment. But just wanted to share with you that this business model is actually working really well right now for a lot of people. And if you're just sitting on the sideline, I'd say get up the fence and start implementing and start taking action, because this business is here to stay. Again, thank you so much, guys, and I will speak to you soon. God bless and bye for now.